Hi, good morning, yeah. Today I am going to make white upma without tomato. And small twist is there. What is that one? How to pack with the banana leaf. Okay, sustainability. That's all, yeah. No late. Come on. See, I'm cutting the onions actually. Like this only, bar. You can cut the onions. See this one. I am using one medium onion for a small glass of rava. White upma I'm going to make this much only. Okay. Now see, I didn't even keep the water anything. Okay, doesn't matter. With the ghee only I'm making today upma. See how much you want to put. But if you're putting more ghee, very nice. But I don't want that much also. So come see, yeah, inside this is the ghee. After, then all these things, chana dal, urad dal, and rai. Okay. Sarso. Okay, let's it's fry little bit. It's not done, you have to do it little bit more. Now we are adding the this onion. See, see how I cut the onions, kacha bacha kacha bacha kacha bacha kacha bacha. That only nice for upma. Now adding the curry leaves. And how much you want chilies? Little bit more only I'm putting. But it, okay. Now this is the cashew nuts. I like the cashew nuts also. Something nuts is going in our tummy, as if you're not eating only nicely. This flame also careful. Keep it in a medium flame only always. Actually, I love to eat with the banana, yeah, upma, not this upma, dalia upma. One day I want to make dalia, sweet dalia, yeah, I love it. When I am, pregnant, my mother-in-law used to give me when I child time. See, cashew nuts, this much I'm putting, okay, all the nuts. See, don't make it golden brown when you're making the upma. Okay, careful. Medium flame. Close the lid because of that steam will come, then nicely it will cook. Again, I forgot the salt and water also. I'll go and bring now. See the water. See, no, not necessary much oils. Every time I will tell same thing only. So, and tip is now the onion is semi browny. So now brown color. Sorry, not browny. Okay. Now only I'm adding the salt, because then only the taste will be very nice and it won't burn your onions. That is only magic. See, now I'm not frying before my rava. Now only I'm frying in this my rava. Okay, 1 glass of rava. Now do it like this. Again, close the lid a little while, let fry. By the time I'll remove everything from here. Yeah, see, now see now properly, like this only. Because why I'm showing this one, you can use little oil only, not much oils. So that is only one tip, that's all. Okay, now make it sim, then add the water. See, now 1 glass of water means 3.5 glass of water. I'm giving hot water only. 2, 3, 3.5. Now see properly. See. That's all, yeah, very easy. I'm telling you, all my recipes are very easy poosy. Tuck. Finish. Now close the lid. After that, you can make the medium size. That's all. See, yeah, this is the consistency. We used 3.5 glasses for one small glass of rava. You can eat 3 people, I think. So 3 or 2 people, we can eat this one upma. Okay. See the white upma. Now close the lid. Yeah, make it in slow, totally small, slow, okay. See ya, now upma is ready. Just I want to increase my flame. So see now how consistency like this will be, okay. Now only one small tip I am going to give. So like this, you want a little bit lemon taste, you want it, just squeeze it like this, very 2 drops, that's all, over. See, switch off the gas. See, one small glass here. I told you, no, small quantities only I'm going to show you people. That is only very important nowadays, you know. How much you want to eat, you can eat it, otherwise close it. Okay, see, now close the lid. I told you, I didn't even use the much ghee and also because of like it will stick. That is only one thing you must observe, okay. Otherwise it won't. That's all. Your upma is ready now, okay. See, now whenever you're going out, wherever, you know, you can pack it in the, this is only banana leaf, actually I like always, okay. See this one, my yellow is very small, I think so. How it will come, let me see. This is small, my upma is more, it's okay, no problem. You know, that time, all of them, you know, we used to take like this only. We never used to feel also we are taking any, like, you know, but it didn't come properly actually. They used to make it very nicely, but for me, it's okay. Again, one more toothpick, you want to keep it like this, if otherwise not necessary at all, but even though I'm showing you. See, your upma, curd rice, in the puliodara, even sambar rice, anything you can pack it like this. Again, you wanted something, wrap it like this. You could wrap it and put it in your box, or bag also, handbag, nicely, and nothing will happen. See this one, okay. Again, how you can open, see like this. You know, main one thing I like it, what, you know, disposable, you know, like sustainability. Wherever if you are throwing here and there also, it will go in the earth, only with sand in the earth only. It won't, not like plastic thing. That only important, I like that thing. So see now this one also, this stick also like that only, so it will go off. Now open it like this, see how beautiful. See, now. That is the main important. Now I am going to eat like this only, wherever I'll go. I forgot the avakaya chutney. You can wrap it with that also, I am telling you. Now I will taste. Very tasty with the chutney, coconut chutney. Otherwise avakaya, I love with the avakaya. That's all, yeah. Now you people can try this one and let me know sustainability with the banana leaf. That only important. That's all, a very easy and healthy one also. This is upma, because nothing is there. I didn't even put any tomato masala, nothing is there, only nuts and some rava. That's it, yeah. Come on, enjoy this moment also. Come on, yeah.